Symmetry is all about balance and reflection. When something is symmetrical, it looks the same on both sides when you cut or divide it in a certain way. Think about a butterfly. If you drew a line straight down the middle of its body, both wings would look exactly the same. That's symmetry. Line symmetry, also called reflection symmetry, is when you can draw a line through a shape, and each side of the line is a mirror image of the other. This line is called the line of symmetry, or mirror line. Imagine folding a shape in half. If both halves fit perfectly on top of each other, then the shape has line symmetry. The number of lines of symmetry a shape has is simply how many places you can draw a mirror line without changing how the shape looks. Here's what that means. If a shape has one line of symmetry, you can draw a mirror line in only one place to make the shape look the same on both sides. If a shape has two lines of symmetry, you can draw two mirror lines that split the shape into equal parts. Some shapes have no lines of symmetry, which means there's no way to draw a line that makes both sides match. Let's look at examples of line symmetry. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has three equal sides and three lines of symmetry. You can draw a line from each corner to the middle of the opposite side, and it will divide the triangle into two mirror halves. Square. A square has four lines of symmetry. You can draw lines through both diagonals as well as from the middle of one side to the opposite side, and each half will look the same. Circle. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. You can draw a line through the center from any angle, and each side will always look exactly the same. Rectangle. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, one across the middle horizontally and one down the middle vertically. Scalene triangle. A scalene triangle, where all the sides are different lengths, has no lines of symmetry because there's no way to divide it into two equal mirror image halves. Now let's look at how to find lines of symmetry. Fold test. You can fold the shape along a line and see if both sides match up exactly. Drawing mirror lines. Look for places where you could imagine putting a mirror so that the shape looks the same on both sides of the line. Estimate. Sometimes you can guess where the symmetry might be based on the shape's overall appearance. Symmetry is everywhere. You can find it in nature. Butterflies, leaves, and flowers often have symmetrical patterns. Buildings. Many buildings are designed symmetrically for balance and beauty. Art. Artists use symmetry to create pleasing and balanced designs. Shapes can have no lines of symmetry, one, or multiple lines of symmetry, depending on how balanced they are. Next time you see a butterfly or a perfect flower, you'll know you're looking at symmetry in action.